everybody, I'm Allison from Alli's World. If this is your first time seeing one of my videos, I just want to say welcome and feel free to subscribe. And for all of you returning viewers, I just want to say thank you so much for tuning in. That means so much to me. That said, I recently got a request to build a Lego Elves set. So the one I picked out is set number 41188. It's called the Breakout from the Goblin King Fortress. It has a total of 695 pieces, and it's made for ages 8 through 12. Here's the front of the box. The set comes with 4 characters. They are Cronan the Goblin King, the Fortress Guard, Emily Jones, and Sophie Jones. As can be seen, Sophie is trapped in a cage being held hostage by Cronan. Meanwhile, Emily, who is on the raft, is trying to come to a rescue. However, there's all kinds of obstacles and barriers that Emily must overcome, including the Venus flytraps and Tufflin, the fortress guard, who's standing on the drawbridge. Here's the back of the box. So without wasting any more time, let's start building this thing. Here's Sophie. She's the younger sister in the set. Sophie has brown hair that's put into a ponytail. And if you look close enough, you'll see she's got light blue eyes and some freckles. Emily is the older sister that has to look out for Sophie. Believe it or not, Emily and Sophie's grandma used to be an elf that turned human. And before the grandma passed away, she left Emily a light blue amulet. This amulet opens up a portal that connects Earth to to Elvendale. And here's Cronan, the Goblin King. He comes with a cape that is red on the inside and purple on the outside. And he also has an amulet, but his is green and was passed on from his mother before he died. And if you don't know, he's very power hungry. In fact, he's trying to steal the amulet from Emily, but more on that later. This is Tufflin. He's one of the many goblins that Cronan has under his spell. The goblins are kind of like minions in the way that they speak gibberish, and normally they're really nice creatures. But since Cronan put a spell on them, they've become really mean. And here's the raft that Emily and Sophie used to get to Cronan's fortress and also to escape. The oar on the raft can move up and down and side to side. It also comes with a grappling hook, so if they need to climb a wall, they can use it. Here's the front of the fortress. Here's the drawbridge. You can, by this knob, you can put it up or down. And then here's the secret side door. It can open, you see. And there's this crystal who can make it open. The Tromper can open its mouth. This is a cage, and this is where Emily's sister was. And this portal thing, you see, it can move up. It can move up and down. This is Cronan's bed, and this is the goblin's bed. So here's the fireplace. It leads towards the bedroom, and the thing on top is a potion. Emily has a potion too. It's a purple one, and Cronan's is a green one. Here's the catapult, and it can launch things like this. Here's the shadow creature. It takes a lot of forms. Right now it looks like a board. The shadow creature went to get Sophie, and that's how she's in the cage. And Cronan is using her for bait. What Cronan is trying to do to get Emily, because Emily has the amulet. There's also this raft. It has an oar, which you can take off, and this has a grappling hook, so Emily can get on the fortress if she wanted to. So here's the knob that turns the chubby plant, and from the front you can see. Now let's see how this all comes together. So here's Cronan sitting on his throne, and off to the side of him is Sophie locked in the cage. But no worries, if you look off to the left, you'll see Emily coming to the rescue as Cronan spins around trying to flaunt at Sophie in an attempt to steal Emily's amulet. Since Tufflin is guarding the drawbridge, Emily has no choice but to use the secret side door. As she does this, she traps Tufflin on an island. Once Emily makes it into the fortress, she waits until Cronan gets tired from all that spinning. Now that he's asleep, Emily sneaks up to him and steals the key. She now unlocks the cage, gets Sophie, and they both escape from the Goblin King's fortress. And here's Cronan feeling duped. So that was the breakout from the Goblin's Fortress set. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, feel free to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time!